stores.
So I know that typically on the show we're talking about this being this most wonderful time of the year. The holidays are here and that's great. But I bet if you know anybody right now, one of those people you know has been sick lately. There is something going around that has really leveled a lot of people. I'm looking at Aaron Dixon. He's here from Insurance Advisors because for many of those people, if they get sick and they don't have health insurance, it's a frightening thing.
Very.
You can step in to help.
Yeah, very much so, yep. So we are helping people this time of year. It's open enrollment for the health marketplace. And so this time of year, they can pick their plan for 2025 and basically have coverage for pre-existing health conditions from day one.
So that open enrollment runs until the middle of January?
January 15th. Basically, to have a January start date, you'd have to enroll by December 15th, but for February, you could have January 15th.
So who qualifies to use your assistance, Aaron?
Pretty much anyone that is not covered under health insurance through their job. So part-time workers, people that own their own business, entrepreneurs, things like that, that just need even a catastrophic plan. We can help them with that if they're looking for something more affordable, or if they're looking for something that goes into doctor's visits and prescriptions, it covers that as well.
Let's talk the affordability factor,
Sure.
because insurance has gotten crazy.
Crazy. Yeah.
You say that there are a lot of people will qualify for financial assistance?
Yeah, actually about 92% of people in America that aren't covered through their job would qualify for some type of financial assistance or subsidy through Marketplace. But we also offer private plans for people that maybe they don't qualify for whatever reason. We have private plans that we could offer that are more affordable.
Okay, forgive my ignorance here, but when you say a private plan versus the Marketplace, what does that mean exactly?
So the private plans are designed for people who maybe they go to the doctor once a year, they're healthy, they don't have much going on in the way of health issues, and those plans are significantly less expensive for people that don't qualify for credits through Marketplace. But on the other hand, you have the Marketplace plans for those who do have pre-existing conditions.
So what if you are healthy, I mean, quote, so you maybe have a doctor that you go to see for just kind of an annual checkup type of thing, but you do take a medication?
Yeah, that's usually not a problem at all. In fact, most plans cover your annual physical, your preventative services 100%.
Okay, so you can have a pre-existing diagnosis of something, but still be deemed healthy?
That's right.
Okay, I gotcha. So, I mean, there are a lot of questions, and if you're sitting at home navigating this on your own or making a phone call, you're really probably struggling. You step in to help.
Yeah, a lot of times I hear people say it takes them several hours to renew their health insurance on Marketplace every year. Our average time is probably 30 minutes with someone on the phone or in our office.
Kidding.
Yeah, so we make it a simple process. I mean, this is what we do day in and day out. So this is what we do to help people locally, and there's never a cost for our services.
You only have so much time though too, so those 30 minutes are then duplicated by many people who you're helping. So what do we need to bring to the table before calling you?
Well, right now we are working off of appointment only just because of the busyness of the phones and everything, but we do have 3 agents in the office that are licensed and that can assist. And so what would be helpful to bring to the table or to the meeting would be a list of your medications, a list of your doctors, because that's another question people have. Will my doctor accept this plan? So we check into that for you and just make sure that they're part of their network.
Can you sort of tier it in a way, Aaron? If somebody, okay, I asked you this off camera, husband and wife come to you.
Yeah.
They have different medical needs. They could each get their own plan?
They could, yes. So family members can switch off and have separate plans if one's a better fit for the other. So that's pretty common. We see that often.
What happens if you sign up for a plan now? 2025 shines on you brightly and you get a great job where they offer health insurance.
Yeah. Good question. So anytime you need to drop the coverage because you're being offered it through a job, you can drop it. So there's no contract to meet or anything like that with the plan.
But if you want to keep it, can you for the completion of the year?
Actually, no. So
Okay.
if your employer is going to start covering you and it's considered affordable through your job, you would have to drop it at that time.
And they can contact you to get the answer to that?
That's right.
Okay, so see, he's like the quarterback of the team. Aaron Dixon, Insurance Advisors. They're located, where are you again? You're right in East Brainerd, aren't you?
We're in
Spring
East
Creek.
Ridge, actually. Yeah.
That's right. I know I'd been to the office before and all of a sudden my brain froze. Very easy to find though there off of Spring Creek. 485-3078 is the phone number, insuranceadvisorstn.com, and they will greet you very happily when you walk in the door. Make that appointment online first. Great to see you, Aaron.
Thank you. Great to see
And
you.
he came on a good day because it's Monday. That's our dad joke of the week. And Aaron just said, oh, I love a good dad joke. So here you go, our gift from us to you. And here's Jason with your funny for the Thanksgiving table.
Your dad joke of the week, brought to you by West Yellowknife Trading Post.